Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 16, 31 variant question number 7. He's asking find x coordinate of point of maxima. So let's see how we can find the point of maxima of this one. Okay. So question is number 7 and given by him is 2x minus x square time to e to power half x. So let's try to solve it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First, all of you know what is the method to find point of maxima or point of minima. We'll differentiate. And you know what's way? This full is called u function and this full is called v function. According to criteria, you copy. And this derivative will come in this bracket. Plus opposite now. Reverse process. Now v copy into derivative of the u function comes here. So in this way, the chance of mistake reduces. So fully concentration required here. And you can compare your answer with my answer. So this is coming here as it is, first of all, into powers derivative, which I have. Now this copy and this derivative is coming in the bracket. So 2x becomes 2 and x could become 2x. After this, put derivative 0. You can see e to power x is common out. When I take common out throughout, so this is gone. Okay, so this is up and this is down. I can say 2x minus x squared by 2. Lot of algebra here. Okay, this gone out. So this left here. Now product of this part and this part equal to 0. So either this part equal to 0 or second part. But exponential part cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because whenever you bring the power down, you take log. Log of both sides, log of right hand side, log of 0 is not possible, undefined. So this is possible only. So 2x minus x squared by 2 plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. I will bring this whole thing on the right hand side and then I will do cross multiply. Or I can do even here even. How come? This is 2 multiply whole equation by 2. Into 2 this fraction I get 2x minus x square. And when into 2 come with this I get plus 4. Into this I get minus 4x. Reorder minus x square and this will give us negative 2x and plus 4. Or multiply whole equation with minus 1. This is not a compulsory. You can do directly even. So, but I change the signs. Now we have a what is the best way of factorization? 4 ones of 4, 2 to the 4, but it's I think not working. So apply quadratic formula. And b squared minus 4a and c is minus 4 by 2a. At least show this step. And after that, you can directly answer. And I am writing without any showing working. So, and make sure some working you have to show. -1 plus root 5. And second answer is coming with us -1, negative root 5. This is a 5. This answer is negative. This is not possible. It's out of range. So ignore this, ignore. And this is my answer. How come? Because if you look at carefully, this is a positive number. And he said exact x coordinates. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, first part is completely over. Now let's go for part number 2. He's asking exact area. Shaded area we're looking for. How to get area? Lower limit 0, upper limit 2. And basically what formula, student, for the area I write for you. So area formula basically is x1, x2, y dx. Okay, now x1 is confirmed 0, x2 is confirmed 2, and y value is a whole thing. I'm writing here 0 to 2 and 2x minus x2 power 2 e to power half x dx. Now students, I'm going to start. So have a look how we can do it here. Okay, I insert a play page here, and now I'm going to do here part number 2 and have a look now. Okay. So, student, what is the technique? Technique is late. If you remember, late, Late, late. A for algebra, you can see, and E for exponential, you can see, and I is actually late. Actually, the formula we have. Top to bottom, top is V, bottom is U. So if I apply this property, students, let's see what happens. So it means this is behaving like a U, this is behaving like a V. Logic very clear. This top is V and bottom is algebra is U. So let's try. And before I start, I tell formula. U and V. What is method of doing integration? U copy integration of V minus a big sign of integral, bracket open, bracket ends, and again this copy paste here. I mean V integration once again into differentiation of U. U means the first function. So it applies same property here. Same formula I mean to say here. Let's apply. So how we can apply? This full is called U, so copy without any change. Now, integration of V, and you know it very well. I can do directly even, but I will show working. A sign of integral, a brick bracket start, a brick brackets ends. Again, I can show you this concept, what I was discussing, what I was saying to you, that this copy paste. So this copy and paste here. I believe you got my point. Into derivative of what? U function. So I'm writing here, hold on, this is maybe space problem. M2x minus x square. Okay, now students, I will continue. This is okay. And what is this integration, students? All of you know. First of all, copy as it is divided by powers derivative. That's why I have. And same answer I'm going to copy here. Even I show you why I'm copying this whole answer here. Copy and paste. Okay, into derivative of this, and that is a very simple. 2x derivative is 2, x squared becomes 2x. Now look, students, hold on, I put a bracket, close, and dx. Very interesting. Here, highest power 2, differentiate, I got power 1. Next step, this x will finish, and question will finish as well. But I have to apply this by parts formula once again. Okay, because one time applied, power 2 become power 1. You can see here, and next time apply will finish. But as a teacher, I suggest you simplify this. Don't further continue, please, from directly from here. Whenever fractions come in fraction like this, it will go up. It becomes 2. So this becomes 2. I'm writing this 2 outside the bracket. 2 times 2, 2x minus x square e to power half x is done. Same story here. I can do one thing here. This 2 will go out. It means it flips. Okay. And I get what? This I'm writing before because algebra. And this I'm writing later because exponential. And you know, students, again, UV, this U and this V. So again, same formula I'm going to use here. And I believe understanding what is going on. So lot of patience and attention required in this kind of question. So this 2 is multiplying a whole, so I'm keeping it outside. A curly bracket start and curly brackets ends. Same story. You copy integration of V function minus a big sign of integral, bracket starts and bracket ends, and dx must be their integration of e to power half x into derivative what? Derivative of, derivative this one. So 2 minus 2x. Okay, this is creating trouble for us. And I think so now you're understanding 2 times 2, 2x minus x square e to power half x. Negative 2, curly bracket starts, 2 minus 2x. What is this integration you saw even before? And this become what? 2 multiply up. So why not do directly integration of this is 2 times 2 e to power half x. Again, this copied here. So 2 times 2 e to power half x. And for your knowledge, this will come even here, and here. So why not save your time? What is derivative of 2 becomes 0 and 2x become negative 2. Okay, now I think up till here clear, and curly bracket start here, ending here. 2 times 2, 2x minus x squared, and e to power half x. So -2, curly bracket starting. This is finally done, nothing to do with it. So this is a 2 times 2 e to power half x. What is negative into negative become positive? 2 to the 4 comes out. Integration of half x stay behind. Curly brackets stop ends. Okay. Now you can see, student, this is again same integration. You know it very well. This answer will come. This answer become what? 2 times that. So I think so. Understanding. Or you can do one thing. I can save my time. Or no problem. I do step. In exam, please don't take risk. If you take a risk, the chance of mistake is there. This 2 into 2, I got a 4. Okay, clear. Okay, from this -2 into 4, I got -8. And what this answer? This answer become 2 e to power half x. And now I'm putting limit. Let me recheck. -8. Yeah, this 2 come from here. And limit is what? 0 to 2. And I'm writing limit of the whole thing. First I plug in 2 here. You know, this comes 0. How come? Because 2 to the 4 and 2 square 4. This 0, so this gone. When I put 2 here, this gone. When I put 2 here, this cancels. So I got a 16, -16 e to power, because 2 to cancel, only e. This is left behind. Upper limit done. Now I'm going to lower limit. When I plug in 0 here and 0 here, so this is 0, whole function 0. When I put 0, sorry, not 0 in this option. So this 0 here, okay, let me check what left further. 0 here, 2 left. And -8. Okay, -8. And 0 here is, I mean, -8 comes here from here. When I plug in 0 here, so I got a -16. -16. This I'll check again, because small mistake will give us a wrong answer. Okay, and here I in the bracket I got this plus, and I got a -8. In the bracket -8. And finally I get 8 positive and -16e. Okay, well, let me recheck it. Okay, this is if we check it, there's a +8 and -8 and minus plus. Okay, clear. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I hope so you got a clear. This is our area, so answer is over. Yes, student, there's a mistake in putting the values. So check again, please. When I plug in 2 here, 2 square 4 and 2 to the 4. So this is becoming 0. When I put 2 here, 2 to the 4. Okay, I'm writing step by step, otherwise mistake. 2 to the 4 and 2 minus 4 is becoming -2. And when I plug in 2 here, I get only e. When I put 2 here, so it's become 16 and -16 and e only. So upper limit is completely done. Now the lower limit, when I plug in 0 here, full 0. So it is no need to write. When I plug in 0 here, then and what happens then? So this is coming -8. And when I plug in 0 here, and something to power 0 is 1, so -8 stay there behind. Here, something to power 0 is 1, I get -16. So I think now correct. So here I got a 8, a -8. This is becoming positive 8, sorry. 8e positive, -16e. This is done. And what is here? -24. And finally, I got 24 minus 8e unit square, because it gives us always answer area format. So that's it. Question is completely over. Wait a minute.